Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I cook my shrimp. Yes, so I'm going to be like, today is a really basic day in my kitchen. So I'm doing a lot of different stuff in my kitchen, but the main video I'm going to be focusing on today is how to cook shrimp, okay? Shrimp? Yeah, so I'm actually cooking red steak today with mixed vegetable, some bell pepper, onions, meat, chicken wing, and I'm cooking it with olive oil. Yeah, these are my seasonings I'm gonna be using today with this Crown Vita right here from the African store. Yeah, and I'm also gonna be using garlic. Yeah, you have choice to use the garlic powder or the raw garlic, but I'm gonna be using the raw garlic today. Yeah, so I'm gonna be so busy in my kitchen today, but the main video I'm gonna be focusing on is how to cook shrimp. But if you want to know how to cook red steak noodles, this is the red steak noodle. If you want to know how to cook it, I have a special video on my page. I'm gonna link the comment. I'm gonna post a link down in the comment section below about how to cook red steak noodles. Okay, guys? Yeah. So if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Rosemary. Hello. Yep. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button. So behind the scene, I'm just gonna be cleaning my garlic with some onion, and I'm gonna mash it or blend it and let you guys know how I'm gonna be doing this with the shrimp. I'm also gonna be cleaning the shrimp up. So stay tuned. Let's do this together. Bye. So this is the shrimp right here. I'm about to cook this shrimp. So I got my seasonings right in this pan, and I have a garlic with onion I just grind together. So this is the oil I'm about to be using right here. This oil is olive oil. Yeah, I love to cook with olive oil. So I'm just gonna be putting the olive oil. Wait. Let me get away. Hold on. My dear mommy. So sorry guys, I got it wrong oil. So this is my vegetable oil. I'm just gonna be putting the vegetable oil in a pot and let it get hot for maybe 1 minute. After the vegetable get hot, then I'll show you what next to do. So I let the vegetable sit for maybe 2 or 3 seconds. Yeah, and now this is the onion mixed with the garlic. I'm just gonna be putting in this pot right here. Yeah. So now this is my shrimp right here. I'm just gonna be putting this shrimp into this oil. So like if you wanna ask how long this gonna last before you put a shrimp, it just left for you how many minutes you want it to be. But for me 1 minute is okay. Yeah, 1 minute is okay. And after the 1 minute, I'm just gonna be putting this shrimp in here, okay? So I got a shrimp in here. What I'm gonna be doing is just adding the seasonings up. And I got my seasoning right here, which I'm gonna be mixing. Yeah, I'm gonna be mixing all these seasonings together. So like for things like shrimp, it don't really need a lot of seasoning because it have its own flavor. Yeah, so like I don't have enough seasoning. Like I'm not gonna put a lot of seasoning on the shrimp because it have its own flavor. So after mixing everything up, I'm just gonna be putting it in this pot over the shrimp, okay? Yeah, so after putting this, I'm just gonna stir this up. Yeah, you mix everything up. Um, okay, let me see. I like to use this one better. So you're gonna make the stove on high. Right now it's just a little past medium, so I'm gonna be carrying it to 8 right here. And then if you want to cover this, it's fine. If you don't want to cover it, it's okay. As for me, I'm gonna be covering this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm just gonna be opening it, and then it'll be ready for eating, okay? So I don't like my shrimp to cook um that's so I don't like it for it to be soft. So I just like it like 1 or 2 minutes, okay. So let's see. So family, thank you so much for watching my video. This is how I cook my shrimp. Yes. So if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button to come for more of this video, okay? Yeah, this is how I cook my shrimp. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you so much. Almost done. I'm just having this for breakfast this morning. So this is what I'm having for breakfast today. Thank you so much. Love you. Mwah. So just let me know what you're having for breakfast too, okay? Yeah. Yes, that's it. Come back to watch more of this video. Thank you. Mwah.